WFC stock analysis and price predictions for 14th of July Monday. Is Wells Fargo stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1 minute video. Now, as the only guy in the space has done this for 43,000 videos and 5 years straight, documenting everything, no one else has come even close. I have seen what's making me money and what's not, and more so shown you. But regarding WFC, is that my idea was on point. Like, peep this video. It was sitting at 62 bucks at the time. 3 months ago, 11th of April. You know, so how this look like? Well, this is my demand zone, and all I wanted to see is a double break, so then I can take it further up. And that's kind of the weekly chart. And guess the weekly chart now. well, bro, this is exactly what happened. We delivered like beforehand. I also had a weekly higher time from weekly idea. Looking at this, I'm looking to just double down, not just from like a weekly perspective, but talking 15-minute if I could. And how that would look like is I have the top, and I'm just hoping I see some pull downs and a double break so I can take it further up. And if that's not the case, bro, then I guess I'm not buying. You know what I mean? Like, so I'll keep you updated. Let me know what is your opinion, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Get the free emails and insights, first link below.